Hey guys, today I have come up with a video, a demo video, so how you can open the command prompt or CMD so fastly, or very fastly, just with two button commands. Like you just need to press two button at the same time and you open the command prompt in current directory in admin mode. Okay, let's just see the demo first and then we go to the steps, so how we can achieve that. Okay, now I'm in the temp folder. Okay, let's see the path of the folder. It is in C, user, Irshad, and desktop, something like that. Okay, let's say, so this is, if I just press the Windows C, so now I just press the two button, window and then the C. So you just press the window button and keep it on hold and then press the C button and you get the command prompt in administrator mode in the current directory. Wherever you are, you just press these two buttons and it will open up the command prompt in current directory as an admin mode. Well, let's see how we can achieve this. Okay, I'm going to the step-by-step file so I can show you how you can do this. Okay, first of all, you need to download the zip file and paste it on any location of your PC. Okay, the first thing that I'll upload the link below, and I'll upload the link so you will be able to get the softwares required through that link. Okay, let's see. I have these two. One of them is software and other one is the file. Okay, let's go to them. So here we are. Here is the software. It is the AutoHotkey that you need to install. Just double click on it or whatever the way you install it and just install it. I already have installed it, but I'm gonna install it again to show you how you can do it. So okay, it's installed already. I'm not going to do anything because you just need to, there will be an option here, just the express mode, and you just need to press select the express mode and it will install. It will take some time and then you need to close it. It's already installed. Let's go to the main steps. Okay, I'll also upload these steps so how you can do it. So the other one is this file. What you need to do with this file, you just need to create a shortcut. Create just shortcut. Okay, so you keep this file. So okay, this is the shortcut and press the, okay, these are the steps so we are following. Install the AutoHotkey as administrator from the zip file. So you can see the description of the AutoHotkey, how you can use it. This is a software very good if you want to use the Windows shortkeys and other things. If you want to make your own custom shortkeys for some specific functionality, so you can use their software. And then you choose express, install and exit it. Open Windows, run by pressing Win R like I'm doing right now, and then you type the shell. Okay, shell, then startup, right, startup, and then press it. Okay, here we open. I already have that, so let me just delete it first. Okay, so here if you are with the steps, let's say what else we need to do. So you just need to copy the attached cmd.ahk here, the shortcut we have created. Here is the shortcut. Just copy it and paste it here and right click on it. Just right click on it and select it, run as an administrator, because if you will just run the script and whenever you will press the Windows then C button, it will open the command prompt, but it will not open the command prompt as an administrator. So if you want to open the command prompt as an administrator mode, you have to select the run as administrator. Otherwise, if you don't want to run in the command prompt in admin mode, so you just select the run script option. So I'm selecting the run as an administrator because I need this to run in administrator. So it will ask you to replace the files because the instance is already running here, so we need to select it. Okay, yes. Okay, let's say here we are in the directory, and let's press the Windows and see how we see. So here in this directory you see it is showing actually it is opening the command prompt in admin mode, so in the current directory. So again, these are the steps, and this is very simple. So I'll upload the link of these softwares, and so you can download them. I'll also share the zip the link of the zip file that I have in in my Dropbox. So you would just by clicking on that link, and you would be able to download the zip file, and when you extract that zip file, so you will find the two things. One is the file, one is the cmd.ahk file, and the other one is the AutoHotkey. So by default, if you see, like if you want to change it, the custom things like window, if you want, like when you press window plus V, so you open the command prompt as in admin mode, so you need to understand the how AutoHotkey software works, and you can modify it. Okay, I'm opening it. Okay, just cancel it. Yes. Okay, so it's opening. So this is the cmd.ahk file, and you can see it, and you can change it. So actually here you see these are the commands. You can update them accordingly, but if you want to stick with the two things like window plus C, and you open the command prompt in your current directory as in admin mode, just see the demo again. So I'm pressing the window then C, and it's opening the command prompt window in administrator mode in current directory. It's for Windows, so enjoy it, and thank you so much.